If you wish for the world's hidden secrets, I will go twice over to find them for you. If you wish to be a flower on the meadow, I will bloom, making your life beautiful. If you wish to be a bright star, shining through the darkest night, I will stand twinkling in the vast sky, protecting you alone from all harm. If you wish for me to be like the wind, I will scatter your worries away. If you wish for me to be like the sun's rays, I will fill your heart with warmth and contentment. If you wish for me to be a vast plain or a bottomless blue sea, if you ever go to a difficult marriage, my heart will remain like a